Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Coding 101. In this episode of Coding 101, we're going to be doing a sum of digits. It shouldn't be a very difficult exercise. So sum of digits, we're going to be creating a function that calculates the sum of digits in an individual number. So let's say maybe you have a number like 123. You're going to be breaking up that number into individual digits, and you're going to take those digits and you're going to add them up or sum them up in order to give you a number or a summation of those particular digits. So it's not a pretty much difficult exercise. You will notice something different in today's exercise, that we are doing this exercise in Ubuntu, in an Ubuntu terminal. So I just installed Ubuntu in my computer. Sadly, I have not had enough time to install an IDE, so that's why we're doing this in the Ubuntu terminal. But to my defense, is actually the Ubuntu terminal is much similar to the idle terminal that we are always using for our exercises. So, and we're going to be doing this exercise only in Python, and we're not going to be doing it in Java for those very reasons as well, that I had not had time to install a Java IDE. I actually installed NetBeans, but it seems to be malfunctioning in a way. So I want to just solve those problems first before we can resume our normal schedule. So let's just do our sum of digits today. So make sure, so the principle of this is just divide the number up. So let's just put num, divide the number up into individual digits and add them, and let's get the sum or the total. So we're just gonna put the total as our variable that's gonna store our overall total over there. So in order to divide up the number into individual digit, to divide the number, we're going to use modulus. So let's just put for loop over here. Actually, let's use a while loop. Aren't you glad to hear that we're finally using a while loop? I think most of our exercises we've been using a while loop. So while total is not equals to 0, I guess. Sorry, not total, because total is 0, while num is not equals to 0. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking a number like 123 for example, and we're going to be chipping off the digits as we go, and we're going to be chipping and chipping and chipping until we arrive to the last digit. And add those digits that we're chipping off to the total. And that's how we particularly do it. So we're going to be using a modulus. So we're just going to use total plus equals, and we're just going to say num modulo 10. So this is our secret formula over here. So what num modulo 10 is going to do is it's going to take the last number, the last digit in the number. So if you have 123, so 123 modulo 10 is going to give you 3. So, and we're going to be adding that to the total. And of course we need to update our number. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to say num is equals to num, and we're going to use this double division thing, which is going to give us it's going to chip away that number, because remember we already used 3, so we need to go to 2 now, and eventually go to 1. So this is how we do it. We're going to just say num modulo 10, and it's going to chip away that 3 because we've already used it, so there's no need for us to use it again, right? So 123 divided by 10, it's going to give you 12. So this is going to return an integer. If we were to use a single slash division, if you call it that, I don't know what you call this. If you, oh, sorry, I think I made an error there. I don't know what I did. Let's just copy this. That's gonna give us problems. Let me just copy. I had already done this before, so let me just copy that and just paste it in here. So and then lastly, of course, we have to return the total, but as I was explaining, so notice that we replaced num with n in this one, in this particular function. So as I was saying, so what this is going to do is just going to take our last number, and it's going to add it to the total, and this one is going to chip away that number because we've already used it, so there's no need to use it like again. So this is as simple as that. Let's just do sum of digits. Let's get a number like 1001. That's supposed to be 2. If it's not 2, then we're wrong, and there you go. Sum of digits, and we put 123. It should give us 6, and there you go. So it's as simple as that. You don't have to struggle on this one. It's very simple. You can do it the same way in Java. Instead of using this double division, though, you're gonna have to use just a single slash division, because there's the double division thing is not actually there in Java. I'm not sure, but you can just use like a 1 slash instead of using like 2 slashes over here. So that's it from me today. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment on the comment section, and I will see you next time on Coding 101.